Hi, I'm Brian Bach. I'm one of the founders of Bach Steam Star. I'm an IICRC certified master textile cleaner with over 30 years in the business. Don't want to admit that. I'm wearing red today. Don't let that freak you out. It's Red Friday. Go Chiefs. But I wanted to bring you some information. We're getting a lot of calls on LVT and LVP. If you're not familiar with those terms, that's luxury vinyl tile and luxury vinyl plank, which I have some of the luxury vinyl plank with me. It's that stuff that looks like wood, but it's not really. It's actually a vinyl product. So very popular today. We're seeing these in restaurants, daycare centers, even in some residential facilities. So can they be cleaned? How should they be cleaned? And what's proper? At the time of this, there are no industry standards like we have in carpet cleaning and some of the other services that have been developed, but I have it with some inside knowledge from one of our manufacturers of our carpet cleaning equipment that we use, that they're in conjunction with Shaw, which is one of the leading manufacturers of these, on developing that as we speak and as I film this. So we're starting to see that come out, and really what they're telling us is there are some differences, and with a modified version of our existing tile and grout cleaning systems, we can clean these very effectively. They do have some challenges. In fact, we just got done doing a 14,000 square foot daycare facility. Turned out fantastic, but you should have seen the amount of soil that we're taking off these floors. It's a good product. It has some issues. To provide that, there is some texture to these, and there's pits and there are grooves. So what we're saying is the grooves aren't too groovy when it comes to impacted bacteria-laden soil can still get in these, and where the mop has a hard time getting it out, we need something else. So our tile and grout cleaning system, again, with some adaptations with the heat, with the water pressures that we're using, we can kind of bring those down a bit, but still have heat, a little bit of water pressure, and some agitation and extraction. And that's the key thing that I want you to hear today. The mops, the walk-behind scrubbers struggle with this and getting all that bacteria-laden soil and all the microbes out of here. And if we have better cleaning systems, guess what? Your indoor facilities are going to be much healthier. All the indoor studies are telling us cleaning it with our modified tile and grout cleaning system is a great way to clean these, and we're getting more of that food source that feeds all the microbes that we're trying to keep out of the facilities. And obviously, if you're a daycare center, that's a big deal in any type of health situation, and restaurants and things like that. So if you have one of those, or you're a property manager in one of those, or even a janitorial firm that is struggling cleaning it, that's kind of where we come in. We provide that restorative component to kind of get these things back in shape, and we're using the right chemistry so you don't harm the top layers. Probably should have mentioned that before, but there is a top layer to these that can be affected by high alkalinity. Okay, so we need to bring that back down, but we are finding that the neutral cleaners don't do a real good job, so we needed something in the middle. So that science is coming out, and there are some products that have come out specifically for these that do a much better job that we have now. So if you need this, you have this, let us know, and we'll be happy to come out and give you a consultation on it, obviously a firm quote, and then if that makes sense to you, and we can come out and get the job completed. Thanks so much.